Congratulations, Mr. Bochi Lumangas, for being the best player for our second game. Sir Bochi, how do you feel na during this game, kasama mo yung dalawang anak mo?
Nakakasarap. Ayun yung feeling na I think gusto rin ng iba. Ako ngayon, nakatamasa ko na yun. It's a blessing na nakapaglaro pa ako kasabay nila. Hindi natin alam, maybe next month, next year, hindi ko na kaya maglaro. So ngayon, sinasamantala ko yung opportunity na ito, blessing na makalaro ko sila, kasabay ko sila. Dati karga-karga ko lang. Ngayon kalaro ko lang. Pinapasahan ko lang. Salamat pala. So, maraming salamat sa liga nyo. Kasi yung opportunity namin makapaglaro sa family, kayo lang yung nagbigay ng opportunity nyo. Kasi thankful ako sa inyo. Thankful ako.
Congratulations, Sir Bochi, and we are happy po na nakasama niyo yung dalawang anak niyo para sa aming game.
Thank you.
And also, it's a pleasure of Marcus Joan and MSD Basketball.
Yes, thank you. So, it's a pleasure
so,
for me.
congratulations, Mr. Bochi Lumangas.
Salamat. Pare, salamat.
Thank you. And thank you everyone for joining our MSD Basketball League. And we are so happy na for the next season pa ng MSD Basketball League, sana makasama pa po namin kayo. Good night everyone and thank you. Back to you,
MSD Productions.